Hello, welcome to Mr. B Trucking Institute. And guess what? I'm Mr. B. I've been in trucking and logistics for over 25 years. I've owned my own truck, I've worked for companies, I've had my own authority, and presently I am a lead instructor at a technical college right here in Georgia. I'm also a third-party CDL examiner, okay? So trucking, I know like the back of my hand, all right? So in this institution, what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be dealing with the nuts and bolts of what it takes to be a truck driver, okay? And the first thing that's so huge when people go to trucking school is they like, I gotta learn this pre-trip. I gotta learn how to bag a truck. I gotta learn how to shift and drive a truck. So guess what? Right here, we're gonna be putting up videos of vehicle inspection, the proper way to do a vehicle inspection, which is known as a pre-trip. We're gonna deal with bagging skills. I'm gonna be talking about shifting and all the good stuff with truck driving. I know what I'm talking about because I've been driving for a long time, and I'm also a certified state examiner. So I tell the state, yeah, they good to go, or no, they not good to go, all right? So I'd like to welcome you to the Institute, and I want you to push on one of these videos, whichever one you need, pre-trip. I'm gonna be putting stuff on bagging and all this good stuff, and we're gonna get it going right here, Mr. B Trucking Institute. Because at this institute, we find solutions, not excuses.